The gift is finally here. We are less than 10 days away from the official Galaxy S26 series announcement. The hype is officially at its all-time high. We've got official look at all the colors as well. The white one is actually really pretty. Plus, Samsung fully showcasing how the AI privacy feature will work. This looks amazing. Plus, along with this, we have the complete look at the full specs regarding the S26 series. I'm talking all models, but first, this is very important out, especially if you're looking to buy the Galaxy S26 series. Now moving on to the complete specs look of the Galaxy S26 series. This is courtesy of VinFuture. So let's begin with the display. So we're getting pretty much the same display specs as the previous generation. We've got improved durability, but the big major difference is the AI privacy display, which is likely going to be exclusive for the Galaxy S26 Ultra model. The Ultra model is also getting a 10-bit HDR display, which means colors are going to be incredible. For the software, we have the One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. On the inside, we get Snapdragon 8 Elite exclusively on the S26 Ultra across all markets, and we also get it for the S26 and the S26 Plus, but in few markets, we're gonna see Exynos 2600, which by the way, this time seems like it's gonna be pretty neck and neck compared to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. We'll definitely be doing a performance test on the channel very soon. And this is interesting. All the S26 series models are now getting 12 gigs of RAM, so apparently there will be no 8GB RAM model, as well as no 128GB internal storage. So we've got 256 and 512, while the Ultra model gets even up to 1TB storage with up to 16GB of RAM. So you can definitely go all the way if you really need all that RAM and storage. Now looking at the cameras, there's nothing new for the S26 and the S26 Plus, while the Ultra model is getting two noticeable changes. The main camera has now the largest aperture of all the modern flagships, coming at f1.4 aperture. This can bring up to 30% more light compared to f1.7 on the S25 Ultra compared to last year. And the zoom sensor is now also rocking f2.8 aperture, which is again bigger than the f3.4 that we have on the S25 Ultra. Front camera also remains to be the same across all models, so sadly no squared selfie sensor as the iPhone 17 lineup. Of course, we do have impressive video features, including the ability to shoot raw videos with that APV codec. That's probably going to be supported across all the Galaxy S26 models. The battery sizes remain unchanged, although we do have finally faster charging on the Ultra model, coming at 60 watts, 45 watt for the S26 Plus and 25 watt for the Galaxy S26. Not only we have faster wired charging, but even the wireless charging is getting faster on the Ultra model, so it's now 25 watts, while the S26 and the S26 Plus will cap at 15 watt, just like previous generation. All models are getting thinner and lighter compared to previous generation, which is especially impressive for the Ultra model considering it still has an S Pen inside. And finally, here are the expected prices for the European market. So yeah, this is the full specs sheet based on the fully latest leaks. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. So that's the full story of the specs regarding the S26 lineup. It's not a massive change, but I am very curious to see the video performance on the S26 Ultra, especially in the low light scenario, as well as the AI privacy screen, which is something that we have never seen on a phone before. So crazy things to look forward to. But again, let me know what you think in the comments below.